Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today, since I do have a lot of tokens, a lot, 12,500, yeah, I'm so rich, guys. So today, we're only gonna spend 2,500, and, yeah, I'm gonna spend it all on the DINO pack in hope of getting T-Rex finally after, I don't know what, 540,000 years of trying to get the dumb T-Rex. Okay, first pack. Yeah, of course, it's in common. For me, getting a rare and the, like a Brontosaurus or Velociraptor is like me getting an epic in any other boxes, and for me getting an epic is like me getting a legendary. Me getting a legendary is like getting a mystical, which I don't have. Oh, I can have a mystical, but it's cheating, and I'm not a cheater person. Finally, I got a Brontosaurus, still spamming. My god. And all you guys got tricked. You all thought that I get something. I tricked you. What a cool trick. That's what I got from... Wait, no. From 500 tokens, no epics. So we're gonna spend some more in hope of getting at least one epic that I will never ever sell and only trade. Or that spending. Look, I spent 2,500 tokens, and then I only get 100 tokens back. That's how it works, because I cannot ever get anything in the Dino pack. Usually this does happen. I get some luck if I use the hack and spam open packs. Let me just spam open like 10. Yeah, let's do 10 and spam by. See what I got. Nice, I actually got Triceratops. That's how I get lucky. So we're just gonna need to reload this real quickly. See how much tokens we actually have left. Okay, let's just keep on spamming. If I get a legendary, I'm gonna freak out. So I don't know. Getting like 20 chromas is equivalent to me getting a T-Rex. Yeah, I think this worked better. Come on. Didn't get anything good. That's just amazing. Wait a minute. Wait, does that mean if I do this and then just... Oh, that actually popped out. But let me just spam by. Then this should... Wait. Just realized something. Okay, good. Doesn't work. Just gonna spam some more. Come on. Give me something good. Okay. Now it's down to the last, 4 packs. Okay, pack number 1, Dino Egg. Pack number 2, Uncommon. Pack number 3, Epic. Pack number 4, Legendary. So yeah, I spent too much tokens. I always when I spam buy Blooks, I always think that I'm gonna get the legendary on the last pack, but that just never happened. So yeah, now I'm 2,500 tokens broke, but I still have 10,000.